Hey guys, join me. I'm going to open my first ever mini brands, and it says in the box 20 pieces. So it's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then plus the 6 that makes it 20, right? Okay, it says I need to collect 66. So 20, I still have to collect 46. Okay, dokie, let's start. I'm so excited. I've seen from some other videos that they really look real, but then they're just miniature. So it's for us to find out. I don't want to rip the box. I like to preserve it. There. Yay. Yay. Ah, let's see. Gosh. Oh, I need to remove this one too. Oopsie. Oh. Gosh. I'm in my bed. I'm about to sleep, but then I'm so excited that I can't wait for tomorrow to open this. Okay, what's this? I think this is kind of a catalog. Oh boy. These are all I'm gonna collect. Huh. Let's see. Just toys and all. Maybe it's kind of an instruction paper or thing. What about this? Oh yeah, these are the things that we need to collect. Okay, 3D puny products, wacky packages, minis. All right, and there's more. Oh, it's inverted. Okay, so let's start. We're excited. I really have to rip this off. I can't open it. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, they just changed the name. Slum Made instead of Sun Made raisins. And I'm excited what's inside. Okay, let's open that one later. Then we have 6 Up instead of 7 Up. Funny. Okay. And this one. Peace. Okay. Already. So, yeah. They look cute. And this one really is kind of a mystery thing. You don't know what's inside. It's for us to discover. There's a salt. Moron salt. I wonder if there's something inside. Okay, let's open them one by one. Let's just check first. And this one, it says baby food. These are cute thingy. And this one is Hertz. Do you think there's something inside? No. It's for us to find out. Then Morid. Really cute. And there's like Tabasco. But it's not Tabasco. It says, okay, Fiasco. And they really look so cool and so real. You think we could open this? Oh gosh, it's not. Cannot open it. And it's made of plastic. I give this like 10 for the packaging. Maybe I could open it. Let's try to see. This one is instead of Nesquik, Nesquik. just so funny. And okay, some of the products, to be honest, I'm not familiar with, so it's for me to discover. This looks like, oh gosh, bite something. Oh, peanut butters, skim. Oh, skimpy. Okay, and this is like, it's a cheese, but instead of cheese, it says sneeze. Okie dokie. One. Okay. Two. And there's really no kind of a clue what's inside. It's just saying something. Okay, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Thank you for watching.